Heading down my driveway for my usual construction inspection, and what do we have here? Oh, they knocked down my neighbor's post. Look at that. They also drove through the riparian area they're not supposed to. Coming up on the left here, you're going to see what was supposed to be 15 feet of desert. Nope, that's a block wall. I actually met one of the landscapers the other day. He had no teeth, and you know what he had the audacity to tell me? He was going to make our neighborhood look prettier by putting foliage up. And oh, looky here. You know what happens when you lay down a bunch of asphalt and concrete? It gets hot. So they made a hole in the wall to give him some ventilation. Hey everyone. Yeah, actually this morning I had the camera on the front of my vehicle so I could document the construction they had going out here on my way to work. But when I came up to the main road here and turned on it, got down here about a quarter of a mile, I saw a suspicious vehicle. So I figured I'd stop, check it out, and see what was going on. Enjoy.
Yeah, we're on 28 on truck when you're ready. Go ahead. One truck, White Lincoln X-ray 985 should come back up and
I figured with all the sheriff buddies I have around here, he was coming over to visit, so I thought I'd turn around and follow him. This is when I noticed his behavior becomes suspicious and more erratic. Got the flashers on. This guy's pulling into private property now.
532, you're assigned to a vandalism case in Athens. Can you copy the 505?
Suspicious behavior.
I'm a snag. I'm a slithery little sneaky snag. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snag. Slithering in your garden.
Right here, he would tell you that he's not trespassing. He's using what is called implied entry. What do you think would happen if I got out of my van and walked right over to the side of his vehicle? I know this guy, so he wouldn't do anything. But what do you think he would do if I walked up on private property? There he is over there. There he is. There he is. We found him. We got him. What's he doing back there?
That 43 you had, I didn't hear any, but I just looked like we do.
As most of you are well aware, all the sheriff deputies on this side of town know exactly who I am. So what do you think this deputy's motives are right now?
Yeah, I'll be 23 back on that town property case, and I'll be 76 to the Williams Road address to see if I can find the owner. 449-1120. 449-1121, thank you. 10-4.
snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake. Slithering in your garden.
I can only assume here that he rolled his window down so that I would yell something and he could come racing over with his buddies and arrest me for disorderly conduct. That's the kind of bullshit that the Pima County Sheriff's Department think that they can do. Keeping the peace.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So did I end up triggering this guy? What the hell is going on here? I mean, he's acting like the suspicious suspect that a police officer would be following him around. And as soon as I walk and can't see him anymore, he takes off. Fucking weird.